everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Horizon Classes, and today we'll revise the sound of letter T. So as we have already done a story on letter T, you must know the sound of letter T now. Do you know that? Okay, let me tell you. The sound of T is T, T, T. As I said, half breath and half sound. T for tomato. Once again, T for tomato. T for toothpick. T for toothpick. Again, T for toothpick. And then we have T for tongue. T for tongue. Once again, T for tongue. So, this was the sound of T, and I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, let me tell you a rhyme on T. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So when you sit and watch a tennis game, the ball goes right, your head turns right. The ball goes left, your head turns left. That is what this rhyme is saying, that when we watch a tennis game, our head goes back and forth. I hope you like the video, you like the sound of T. Now, please like and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.